Trust is everything in business, but look at this thumbnail. As someone working on multiple channels right now and getting them more views than they thought ever possible, I can instantly tell this is AI generated. And trust me, a lot of viewers can feel it too, even if they can't explain it. Why does this even matter? Because the moment your thumbnail feels fake, your credibility drops before the viewer even clicks on your video. And when trust drops, the views drops and the conversions for your business will follow as well. So if you're using cheap AI generated thumbnails for your business channel, you are definitely hurting your revenue as a business creator. This is Jamie. Found his channel on YouTube and I just looked at the latest thumbnail when I was scripting this video and it was this video. Immediately this thumbnail looks AI, and like I said in the intro, AI thumbnail drops your credibility fast and it makes the viewer think you are a low quality person and your services are low quality. And Jamie has few services like grow your property portfolio, and these are the main income streams for his channel. And a thumbnail like this don't give enough curiosity to click the thumbnail or the video. And this is the before and after. I'll put the design process of this thumbnail at the end of the video. This was his original packaging. As you can see, this looks AI generated, and things I did better in this thumbnail rather than bad things in this thumbnail. You can know little there is a lot of stuff going on. If I can name how many elements there are: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 with Jamie. So 11 elements, and on this thumbnail there are only Jamie and the text and a warning sign and the background to show this is about housing and like real estate, and only 4 elements. And the title says don't buy a house in 2026, and it's relevant because of the time. And at the end, within brackets, we are saying here's why. So we are creating a curiosity gap, and we are saying on the title we are going to close that curiosity gap. So viewers think if they click on the video they can close that curiosity gap, and here's why indicates that he's going to talk about why you shouldn't buy a house in 2026. And the affects you text and the pointy finger really like it stuns the viewer, because someone looking directly at you and pointing a finger, it creates kind of like emotional state where you are scared or intimidated. This really makes the viewer stop the scrolling and read the title. After he reads the title, he knows this is about not buying house in 2026, and he'll click on the video to learn more about what is this video about. So the target audience for this video is basically people trying to buy houses, maybe someone who just got a loan, and or some couple who married recently, and they are the target audience who are looking to buy a house. Basically this has less elements and communicates a clear idea with the title, which this doesn't. And most of all, this looks realistic, which makes this more trustworthy thumbnail. And this really looks like ChatGPT generated with the text, because I'm very familiar with this text style. So this was the quick repackaging of this video on Jamie York's channel. So I think this thumbnail and title will work great in Jamie York's channel, possibly increasing his views and conversions to his coaching. And all I do all day long is YouTube packaging, and if you want me to handle that for you in your channel, hit me up and book a call with me with the link down below, and I can check if you and I can work together, and if we could, we will bring up your views and increase conversions to your services and make you more money in the process. And yeah, peace out.